How do I propagate hibiscus in water? One of the easiest ways to propagate hibiscus cuttings is in water. These plants do well with water propagation, and, if done right, you should have new little plants to pot in around 4 to 5 weeks. Choose a healthy hibiscus plant and take a cutting that is about 6 inches long. Remove the leaves from the bottom 2 inches of the cutting. Place the cutting in a jar or vase filled with clean water. Make sure the water covers the bottom 2 inches of the stem. Place the jar in a spot with bright, indirect light and maintain a consistent temperature of around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Change the water every few days to prevent bacterial growth. After about 4 to 6 weeks, you should see roots growing from the bottom of the stem. Once the roots are about an inch long, it's time to transfer the cutting to a pot with soil. Continue to care for your new hibiscus plant by providing it with plenty of sunlight, water, nutrients. Remember, patience is key when propagating hibiscus in water. It may take several weeks to see any signs of growth, but don't give up. With the right care and attention, you can successfully propagate a new hibiscus plant from a single cutting.